Today we're making Grogu. Today I'm attempting to make a character that has been requested a lot, but I have to be honest, I have been avoiding this character. It's pretty difficult because it has so many details and it's almost human-like, and I'm so afraid of making like human-shaped cakes. I'm really bad at it. You should see my Chucky cake I made. That's a jump scare. But we're gonna make Grogu, which is like Baby Yoda, and I wanna do my best to make sure that I make all the Star Wars fans proud. First thing I'm going to do is stack these cakes up. So I'm going to do a double barrel, just putting 2 cakes on top of each other. So I have these dowels, I got to put in the cake first. All right, the cake is stacked, so now all I got to do is start carving it out. Okay, so here's the cake, it's all carved out, and I think you can pretty much already tell what character this is supposed to be, but now I'm about to do the crumb coat. I'm done with the crumb coat, now I'm gonna start adding that final coat of chocolate ganache. I just gotta do this quickly and it should work. Okay, now we do the other side. I'm gonna add the arms with these Rice Krispie treats because I just can't make that out of cake, so I'm just gonna make that equal on both sides. The ganache is on the cake, so I'm about to start adding the modeling chocolate, really bringing this to life. So I'm just gonna start by adding little pieces first, then I'll start adding on all the features. These small pieces are basically going to be like the ripples on the coat. So now I'm gonna roll out a big piece of modeling chocolate and then put that on the cake. Y'all, that took so long, but I finally got all this modeling done. So the next thing I need to do is add the color. He is missing the hands, but I'm gonna add that at the very end after I finish painting everything else. So I have all my edible paint right here. Let's get to it. So I'm just gonna use brown and like a little bit of white to try to get the right shade I need. This might be a little too light, but I'm gonna try this first and see. I think it's okay. We're gonna go with that. The coat is done. I just need to start doing the head, and I did some color mixing. I think this is the right green. I have no idea how that happened. I have to admit, one of the worst things that I make are hands and fingers. So this is like his little hand. It does not look good at all. But you can't really see it, so. Oh no, that looks so bad. We're just gonna pretend that this looks amazing. We're just gonna pretend that they're not there. And we have to do the same thing again, and that's why I don't like making hands, because you have to make two, and they're never gonna look symmetrical. He's an alien. I don't think he'd have 5 fingers, so I'm only giving him 4. You know what? I'm self-taught, and I just haven't taught myself how to make fingers. That's what it is. That's all it is. What is that? Look at the face, don't look at the hands, and you know, we're good to go. It looks a little crazy. Let's just all pretend they're not there. So now I just need to paint the hands, and then I'll start airbrushing. The airbrushing worked out so good. It's just like, it really makes everything pop. Like, comparing it before to what it looks like right now, it is so crazy what an airbrush can do. So the last thing I need to do now is add this glaze to the eyes, because like I want them to look like really glossy and like doll-like. So I have this gloss I'm just gonna paint on top of the eyes, and that should be it. All right, look at this eye compared to that one. Like it really works. Ah, that looks so good. Y'all, here is the finished cake, and listen, I'm so proud of me. I did not know what this was going to actually look like at the end. I just know what I was going for, and it all worked out. Like, this looks so cool. I love the eyes, how glossy they look. The airbrushing added so much detail. Like, I'm so pleased and happy with this cake. He doesn't look as like happy and cute as I wanted him to be. He looked a little sad, to be honest. Oh. So let me know what y'all think about this cake, and if there's any other characters or any other cake designs y'all want to see me make sure y'all leave those in the comments below. I do have a Patreon now, so make sure you join that. You'll get early access to all my videos, some behind the scenes, some live, so it'll be really cool. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not, and until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. I forgot what this character is called. Grogu? Is it Grogu? Ah, hold on. I've got to YouTube that. I have no idea. How to pronounce. Oh, Grogu. I am saying it right. Okay.
Grogu.
Grogu it is. Okay, I'll say it one more time.